Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna do a video about a little trick on the Xbox app which you can use to screen record on Windows 10. This will only work on Windows 10, can't be used on any operating system which is less than Windows 10. Again, this just a heads up, this cannot be used to record the file manager or the desktop screen or anything. It will only work for apps and games, so you can pretty much screen record any app or any game on Windows 10. So let's get started. So to do this, you go in the search bar and type Xbox, which will lead you to the app of Xbox. Once you open the app of Xbox, on the left hand side you will see this little icon. If you hover on it, it will show capture, which is right here, captures. So you hit that and you will see this dialog right here. This is where you'll find your game clips and screenshot. The next time that you are playing a game, press the Windows key plus G to capture some. Now this is important, Windows key plus G. If you are on any app, you press Windows key plus G and it will start or it will pop up the recording bar. But again, as I said earlier, you must be on an app or a game. So let's do this. Once you are over here, you minimize this on the tray and then you can open any app. For now, I'll open the Fitbit app. Once you open the app, all you gotta do is hit the Windows plus G option, and as you can see, it pops up right here. So this is the recording or screen capture bar. You can capture a picture, okay, and I'll save the picture. I'll come back to that section later. You hit Windows G again and it'll pop up. Then you can actually record. You can mute the sound, but there is a shortcut for this as well, Windows Alt plus R, but I'll just hit this and it'll start recording. It will also record the voice. Then you can stop, turn on the microphone. That's pretty much it. Once you stop, the clip will be saved. Now I'll turn this off for now. I'll open the Xbox app, and here you go. There are two videos, right? Sorry, there is one video and one image which we captured. So this is the image. You can rename it and delete it. I'm not deleting it because I want to show you guys where it's saved. And this is the video, so you can actually play the video. It can also show you the pointer of the mouse. You can rename, trim and delete this video, and you can upload it as well. Now I'll show you how to adjust the setting for this. So if you go at the bottom on the setting bar right here, you go in the captures, because that's what you want to adjust in the setting. It will take you to the Windows setting over here. You hit this, it'll pop up, you hit yes, and it'll take you in the setting options right here. So over here you can actually change the destination folder. For now it's users, video and capture for on my computer. You can do background recording, record the background while I'm playing the game. That's pretty cool. You can limit the time of recording. For now it's 2 hours. You can record the audio, turn mic on by default when I record, adjust the audio quality, microphone volume, system volume, 30 frame per second, 60 frame per second. And this is important, capture mouse cursor in recording. If you don't want the mouse cursor to pop up every time, you can close this option or unselect this option. So that's the setting part, and now we'll go to the last part to show you where it's all recorded or saved. So as I showed you earlier, the path, it's all recorded over here, so you can delete it from here, or you can go over here in the capture portion and you can physically delete it from here. I'll show you how to do it. There you go. Pretty simple, pretty basic. you can actually trim, rename, or delete it for now. So that's everything guys for today. I have started this new playlist where I'll be posting more tutorials and tips and tricks about the Windows computer, as well as some designing softwares like Photoshop, Illustrator, and much more. So please make sure that you subscribe to our channel, and like and share the video so it can be helpful to others. That's everything. Have a good one. Bye now.